Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul, and today we are going to discuss about how to create name ringtone by using a mobile application. So I think today's video is going to be very interesting because we always want to create a different ringtone from others. So today we will discuss about an application with the help of which you can create name ringtone easily just by few clicks. So to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for latest updates and application link. And also, if you want have any comments, any messages for us, any suggestion for us, you can comment into the comment section or you can message us on Facebook page. So also you can like us on Facebook, and if you want to get the personal coach of computer, so you can contact us. We will be happy to assist you. Without any delay, let's start today's episode. So the name of the application is My Name Ringtone. I have already opened the application. Let's see.
Created. Settings. My name.
So
Ringtone.
My Name Ringtone, then
Ringtone.
Maker,
Created.
then
Ringtones.
created ringtones,
Settings.
then settings. So I'm just going to
My name.
My Name Ringtone because
My
we
name.
will see
Background
how to
music.
create
None. Background music.
how to create My Name Ringtone.
Please pick up the phone.
Okay, so first
Hi.
thing is,
My name Ringtone. Hi. Add prefix.
so add prefix. So whatever prefix you want, you can choose. So I'm just double tapping on add prefix.
Select prefix. None. 1 of 17.
None.
Hi. 2 of 17.
Hi,
Hey. 3 of 17.
Hey.
Hello. 4 of 17.
Hello.
Mr. 5 of 17.
Mr.,
Miss. 6 of 17.
Miss,
Sir. 7 of
Sir.
17. Madam. 8 of 17.
Madam,
Dear. 9 of 17.
dear,
Prince. 10 of 17.
Prince,
Princess. 11 of 17.
princess,
Doctor. 12 of 17.
doctor,
Excuse me. 13 of 17.
excuse me.
Stop recording. Image.
Okay.
Excuse me. 13
So for
of
example,
17.
I'm choosing
List 17.
excuse me.
My name Ringtone. Enter your name. Please enter your name. Edit box.
So here you have to enter your name. So I'm giving my name.
R. With showing A T T U U L L.
Okay. So after giving my name,
Please pick up the
Then-
phone. Edit. Add postfix.
add postfix. Postfix means what to say. Like please pick up the phone. You have a phone call like this. So I'm just double tapping it here.
Keyboard. None. 1
See,
is calling.
none
2 of 14.
is calling.
Please answer the phone. 3
Please
of 14.
answer the phone.
Your phone is ringing. 4 of 14.
Your phone is ringing.
Your phone is ringing. Please pick up the phone. 6 of
Please
14.
pick up the phone.
Someone is calling you. Take your phone. 7 of 14.
Okay.
Please receive your call. 8 of 14.
Okay.
Please check your phone. Your phone is ringing. Please take a look. 10
Okay.
of someone is waiting for you to pick up the phone. 11
Okay.
of 14. Stop recording. Your phone. Stop recording. Your phone is, please check your phone. Someone is calling. 9 of, please receive your
So
call.
I'm just choosing-
Someone is calling you. Please pick
By
up the
default,
phone.
please pick up
My
the
name
phone.
Ringtone. Language. Drop down menu. English.
So language here, others language are available. Hindi is also available, but Bengali is not available. So I'm not changing the language. It's very simple. Just double tap on language and you can choose whatever you want.
Voice.
Voice,
Not ticked. Male.
male or
Ticked. Female.
female. So by default, female is selected.
Voice repetition. Drop down menu. Once.
Voice repetition once. If I
Pop up
choose
window.
here,
Twice. 2,
twice
3.
or
Thrice. 3 of
thrice.
3.
So for example, I'm choosing thrice.
My name Ringtone. 12. Slider. Voice volume.
It's a voice
12.
volume.
Slider. 12. 12.
So if you want to choose
15,
voice volume,
slider.
you can choose the volume. Okay.
15. Background music.
Background music.
None.
So by default it's set none, but you can set some background music. I'm just showing you. I'm not playing you because there are some copyright issues. So I'm just showing you how to do that.
Select background music.
See.
A day to play button. A day to remember.
A day to remember.
Background music. Play button. Buddy. 4 of 16.
Buddy.
Play
Okay.
button.
So there are play or IMG play button means you can preview the music. Okay. So I'm not playing the music right now.
My name. Background. 100. Slider. 100. 100.
This is
Slider.
the background music volume. Okay.
Speech rate.
Then
9. Slider.
speech rate. If you want to increase speech rate, you can increase, you can decrease, whatever.
Speech pitch. 9. Slider.
Speech pitch, so you can do that
Play.
also. So this is the play button, you can check. So let's play this. I have not added the background music, so you can just listen the announcement. So let me check this.
Excuse me, Retool, please pick up the phone.
So this is the play. Then after that,
Save.
The ringtone is saved to your phone directory. Okay, so this is all about my name ringtone, and this is how you can create your ringtone with your name. So this is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.